Hello, namaste, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, came cho people. I'm Aisha Agrawal and I'm here with my YouTube channel that is Trippy and Tricky. So before getting started with the video, I want to make one thing very clear. I'm not a professional YouTuber. No, nah. I've just started my channel, so please guys bear with me and spare me. So today's video is all about makeup. Yes, you heard me right. It's all about makeup. Girls out there can relate. Favorite topic, makeup. So let's get started. So moving on with the video. First we are using primer. I have Color Bar primer, that is Perfect Match primer, 30 ml and it's for rupees 825. Guys, this is my first primer ever. I haven't used primer before, but this is an amazing product. You can definitely go for this, and if you don't have primer, it's okay. You can use your aloe vera gel. I use my Patanjali aloe vera gel when I didn't have this primer. I use my aloe vera gel, that is Patanjali aloe vera gel. And you can use your aloe vera gel, any aloe vera gel you have, or you can use your moisturizer which you use for your face. So yeah, you always have an option, definitely. So starting with the primer, I'm taking this much. Done with my primer. Now moving on to foundation. Yes. So for foundation, I have Lakme Absolute White Intense Skincare SPF 25, and it is for rupees 725, and the shade is 01. Yes, and I love the packaging, and it's not messy at all because it has this pump, and it's not messy at all. No, and it has a nice, lovely smell. Yes. Again, I'm taking this much. So for blending this up, I'm taking my Vega Sponge Wedge. It is an amazing product. I bought this 8 pieces for 150. It is very reasonable and amazing quality, guys. You can definitely go for this product. Vega is very reasonable and the quality product is amazing. The product quality is amazing and everybody knows that Vega is an amazing product. Sorry, it makes amazing product. So yeah, it's reasonable and you can definitely go for this. And if you don't have any sponge or brush, use your fingers. You always have this, so use it. For now, I'm using this because I have it. Remember guys, we are doing this product, sorry, I'm fumbling a lot, but we are doing this video with the product available to us right now, right here. So yeah. So here we are done with the foundation, and that's it for the base. I'm not using any compact or concealer for the base because I don't have it right now and I've never used it before, but definitely I'm gonna buy it and use it, and I'm gonna share with you guys definitely. But right now I don't have it, so I'm not using it. Remember, we are doing this video with the things available to us right now and right here. So yeah, that's it for the base, and now moving on to contouring and highlighter. So I forgot to tell you guys, if you don't have a foundation, you can definitely go for your BB or CC creams. Definitely you can go for that. This is my first foundation. I bought this foundation months ago, and before that I use my BB and CC cream, so definitely you can go for that. And now moving on for contour, fumbling. Sorry. And now contouring. Oh god, what's happening? So moving on to contouring and highlighters, I have Revlon palette Peach Glow 010. Amazing shades. I love this palette, and I never bought this palette. This was a gift from my friends to me on my birthday, and this is an amazing palette. You can definitely use it, and definitely if it gets over, I'm definitely buying it again. I love it. and this is amazing, and this is for $9.50. Worth it, worth the price. You can definitely go for this. And guys, if you don't have the palette, you can do your contouring. You can skip your contouring if you want, or you can do the contouring with your lipstick. Definitely you can do that with your lipstick. You can take your brown or dark lipstick which is darker for your skin tone. You can definitely go for that. And if you want me to do video on that with contouring with lipstick, definitely comment below. I'm gonna do that for you guys. For now, let's get started with contouring with this palette. So I'm using this shade right over here. What I bought. I'm dropping things, sorry. So I'm using this shade, the darker shade. It's darker for my skin tone, so I'm using this. I'm using sponge wedge again, Vega sponge wedge. I'm using different one for contouring, and I hope it works. It give me results. I hope it. Done with the contouring, moving on to highlighters. So done with the contouring, and it's good. The results, it's good with the sponge too. I'm liking it. So moving on to highlighters. Okay, I don't have a highlighter brush, so I'm using eyeshadow brush, and it's Vega again. You know, Vega is a product which is reasonable, and the and so sorry shit. Okay, I'm fumbling a lot, but the quality is amazing. It's amazing. You can go for this product. Its quality is good, and also it is reasonable. Yes, I bought the brush set for $3.49, and I think it's amazing. Amazing thing about Vega, it is reasonable and the products are amazing. The quality is amazing. Everybody knows that. So let's get started with highlighters. I'm using this shade, the second shade, for highlighters. If you want, you can blend the above two shades or any two shades for highlighters if you want, but I'm using this one. So I'm done with highlighters. As you can see, my nose popping, and I love it. Highlighters are the best part. I don't know why. I love it. I love it. Yeah. So moving on to blush. It's a blush time. So for the blush, I have Miss Claire blusher, and the best thing about Miss Claire is that it's reasonable again. Yes guys, Miss Claire is very reasonable. I don't remember for how much I bought it, but Miss Claire lipsticks, blusher, they are very reasonable. So you can go for this product, definitely. And again, if you don't have a blusher, you can definitely go for your lipsticks. Definitely you can go for your lipsticks. I tried that out. You can go for your pink lipstick, dark pink, anything, red, but you can go for lipsticks. Definitely you can go for lipstick. And again, if you want me to do video on that, comment below. So for now, I'm using Miss Claire blusher, and I am using again Vega blush brush. Yeah. So I'm done with the blush. If you want, you can use lighter shade or darker shade as you want. Remember, we are doing this video with the products we have right now, right here. Okay, so moving on, let's get to eye makeup. So for eye makeup, what I have is Lakme Absolute Forever Silk Eyeliner. Yes, that's it. That's all I have, and I don't know how much it cost. I forgot. Sorry, I forgot. And I don't know how much it cost, but yeah, I only have this for eye makeup. So what to do? We don't have eyeshadow. I never bought it. I want to buy it. Definitely I'm going to buy it. But remember, this video, we have to do it with the things we have right now. So for eyeshadow, what I'm going to do is I'm using my lipstick. You heard me right. I'm using my lipstick, and it's Nykaa. Yes, it's Nykaa, and I love Nykaa. I'm obsessed with Nykaa because Nykaa lipsticks. This one is very reasonable. I think Nykaa is reasonable. I feel lipstick is reasonable. Sorry, fumbling a lot, but this is reasonable. It's for $3.99, and I think it is reasonable, guys. You can definitely go for this, and the product quality is thumbs up. And I'm sorry, I'm really obsessed with Nykaa, but the lipstick is what I love. This is Drop It Thrill, and it's for 4.2 gram, and yeah, that's it. And the shade is 12M. It's a nude shade, and I'm using this lipstick for my eyeshadow. I'm not going to use it directly, definitely not, but you can use any shade of your choice. Pink, nude, anything you want, it's your choice. So again, I'm using Vega brush, eye applicator brush. The whole set I bought it for $3.49. I've told you guys, right? Again, I'm repeating things again. So I'm done with my eyeshadow. Now for giving it a shine, I'm using my highlighters. I'm using this shade over here. Time for eyeliner. So this eyeliner can be definitely used as a kajal. You can see. Yes, it can be used as kajal too. So for mascara, again, I don't have mascara right now. I've used mascara but I don't have it right now. So for that, I'm gonna take my Patanjali aloe vera gel. So we're taking Patanjali aloe vera gel, and I'm taking the mascara brush. Yes, I have it. And then you just apply it. So yeah, it did not help that much like a mascara do, but yeah, it's okay. It's a jugaad, kind of a jugaad, but yeah, it's okay. You can also use this method for your daily use if you want to use mascara daily, but you don't want to use mascara, but you can go for this option. And now, time for lipstick. Favorite thing. Oh my god, I just love it. Lipstick. Love. Lipsticks are love. And again, I'm using Nykaa. Love for Nykaa is never gonna die. No, never, never. I just love it. Nykaa. So I'm taking Wicked Wine, and the shade is 07M. Yes, and it is again for $3.99. It is very reasonable. You can definitely go for this lipstick, and the shade is amazing. You can see, yeah, it's an amazing shade. Quality, thumbs up. Price, thumbs up. $3.99 for a lipstick. Not a big deal for me. I think it's reasonable. Yeah, I think it's reasonable. So yeah, lipstick time. Dun, dun. So it's done. This is my final look. I hope you like this look. I hope you like this video, and I hope that this video will help you in some way or the other. My fingers are crossed that I just hope you guys like it and it will help you. And if you want more videos like this or any reviews about any product or anything like that, do comment below. And I'm just praying you guys like it. I'm really nervous, but yeah, I just hope you like it. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay tuned. Ta-da!